Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome, nice looking comparison video about two devices. Yeah, two strong devices. And we have here on the one side, there is the Apple iPad Pro from 2021. This is the 5th generation of it. And on the other side, there comes around the corner the Apple iPad Pro from 2025. This is the M5 model. Wow. Hey. Welcome back. Today we are comparing two powerhouse tablets here. And we will take a look at the design, the display, the performance, the camera, the battery, and overall value. Let's jump right in with that. Let's go. Design and display. Whoa. Yeah, both models are really the same, I think. Yeah, of course. Design-wise, not much has changed. Both models feature a sleek aluminum body with a flat edges and a thin bezels. But the real difference in the display is there, of course. Both models feature a tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display with adaptive 10 up to 120 Hz ProMotion. That's good, but it stays good, of course. And resolution and color accuracy are excellent in both devices for editing, gaming, and content consumption. The 2025 model maintains the ultra-high HDR brightness level around 1600 nits. Design is nearly identical, and both displays are excellent, with minor refinements on the M5 generation. I think it's both the same nearly. Now let's go to the performance area. Yeah, the benchmarks, for example. The 2021 model runs on the Apple M1 chip, which had a huge leap when it launched. The 2025 model takes it up several levels with the M5 chip, of course. So here it comes. The highlights of the M5 chips are significantly faster CPU and GPU compared to the M1. Yes, of course, really. Especially in 3D rendering, pro apps, and graphic workflows. More powerful neural engine for AI tasks and on-device machine learning. More RAM, random access memory. It's available in a base configuration. Often it's 12 GB versus the 8 GB of many of M1 models. So for everyday use, the M1 is still fast. But for the video editing, pro workflows, AI tasks, or heavy multitasking, the M5 easily pulls ahead. And then let's go to the camera and audio. Both iPads offers a strong camera system for an iPad or for a tablet. 12 megapixel wide camera and high quality front camera, perfect for video calls. 2021 model. 2025, it's still 12 megapixel, but enhanced. The improved processing software upgraded and better AI driven images. Yeah, but I think it's not the main feature that there should be a powerhouse of camera. Because for this, they just have to buy an iPhone, for example. The audio quality is excellent on both, thanks to the quad speaker setup and high quality microphones. Where? Let's go to battery and connectivity. The new iPad Pro adds the Wi-Fi 7, the Bluetooth 6, and the next generation 5G modem. This giving it much faster wireless performance. Battery life is, of course, similar on both. Around 10 hours of the web browsing or the video playback. The M5 model, however, often benefit from the faster charging, of course. So, the connectivity and the battery itself is nearly, it's good for everyday use, of course. I do not see significantly better thing, except you are going outdoor in mobile. That is a big launch there. Then software and features. The 2021 model shipped with the iPad operating system 15, but it comes with the newest, of course. Yeah, while the new model comes with the iPad 26 model. So this bring upgrade multitasking, window management, pro apps, and deeper AI integration. Of course, you need the power for this, and this is the M5 on the goal area with that. Yeah. Then we have the price, and of course, the terms of the price. This two sit in very different brackets. Of course, the 2021 model, especially second hand, can be an value if you look for it. The 2025 model is more expansive but also far more future-proof. So take care what you go. For power users, of course, creators, video editors, and professionals, go to the M5 iPad Pro. For everyday user, entertainment, school, and light creative works, the M1 iPad Pro is still an excellent choice for you. So take care. But I think if you need a powerhouse, get to the M5. But if you are standard way, use the M1 because it's cheaper. It's not so expensive, but good. Tell me in the comment what's your dream or what's your iPad at home. And I say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. Now I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.